So since yesterday I was doing this, I painted the brackets for the rear disc brake conversion because they come in bare metal, and depending on how you want them to look, but I just wanted mine to look pretty for a while, so I painted them up so they didn't rust out or anything. So there they are. New seals. I got new axle bearings I got to do because part of this project I'm doing with the rear disc brakes, with the rear gearing, is putting rear disc brakes on this and doing a complete total rebuild on this axle. So that's what I've been doing on this project. Okay, for this rear disc brake conversion, I kind of cheated because I put the new ring and pinion and the posi in the back of this and doing a rebuild. So the axle's already been slid out, so I already got the C-clips out. So I just got to slide these out, clean it up, and change the seals and the bearings. So that's what's going to happen right now. Not going to really do a total step-by-step, but just do a one side to just give everybody a general idea how to put these rear disc brake conversions in. Just like that. Watch this, if I hit this right here. Oh. Yeah. Whoops. Get that one up. I better put some catch this gear oil, it's going to come out. I don't believe making this fancy TV show for so many people doing this stuff. Well, then that's all part of the deal, you know. That way everybody realize it's not fucking, as easy as it looks like the TV shows do. Yeah. Lots of spider webs in here. Oh, there it goes. I got to pop out just a little bit. Just like that. Yeah, so sometimes this ain't as easy as it looks. Don't let the TV shows fool you. Bearings look good, but I'll still replace them anyways. Actually, they look kind of rusty too. Good old Harbor Freight. I'm not Harbor Freight, but O'Reilly's. So here's what you get: is these bearing pullers. You just take this and throw it in. Make sure you got the right diameter one, which looks good enough. Put it in there. Proper procedure is take this and put it on there, and actually I screw it. We're just going to do it my way. A little bit of slide hammer action here. Pops out relatively easy. Okay, it's ready to go. Come on out, you bastard. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe I'll put that on her so I don't do that again. Trying to cheat this out, and it didn't quite work. Okay, now let's try it. Hang on. Wearing my Superman shirt, don't feel like Superman right now. Oh, you son of a bitch. Back on there. Check it. Stubborn son of a bitch. Oh no, it's coming out now. Alright, bearing removal will take 2. I used the wrong fucking piece to put in there and snag it in the axle, so now we're all set and ready to go. Not exactly professional, but I'm not exactly an amateur either. Just don't do these often enough. Last time I did this was in Kalispell. Here we go. Here it goes. Just like that. Sweet. Oh yeah, fucker fits perfectly right in there.
Yeah, I figured.
Yeah. Alright, amateur hour's over with. Now I can put the new bearing in. Alright, so here's a new replacement bearing. Alright, a little bit of hammer action here. Just gotta do it in a circular motion and it'll come back in. Alright. Depending on how you want to do this, I'm just going to kind of hit a punch around it, but not hard, just enough to get it work in there. Maybe I can take this thing off and put it on there. Or this deal. Let's try this. We'll see what it does, because just out of curiosity. Nope. Solid hit, so back to this. Now usually I hit in a 4-corner radius. That way I get everything all the way even around here. There it goes. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but you can see it slowly moving in. Alright, gotta get a better position here. Arms are a little wore out from using that slide hammer. Beating myself up for no reason. Yeah, I just feel it's a wise idea to, when you put a new ring and pinion and all new bearings in it, might as well do the axle shaft bearings too. Full floaters, they got inner and outer bearings, but these semi-floaters, they got these bearings like this. So always a wise investment just to replace everything while you're at it, because while you're on a trail or driving down a highway, you don't want one of these to fail on you when you just got everything new done in it. So just a good investment is all. There it goes. Baby steps, those tiny things. You don't need to work on one area. Just a couple whacks on each corner as you're doing this, and that way it'll rotate freely in there, and you don't get it caught up. Not sure it's the proper way to do this, but I'm doing what I can do, and it is what it is. I know I say that a lot, but just do what you can to your best of your ability is all I'm saying. If you need help, don't be afraid to ask. Okay. Okay, it looks just like the way it's originally in there, so. Oh. Yeah. Well, feels pretty good. I'll give her a few more whacks in a circular motion and see if it moves anymore, but I think I got it pretty well set. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, that did it. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. It'll take a little break here, but we'll get to putting the rear disc brake conversion on here, and that is that. Alright, so part of this rear disc brake conversion kit, they come with new seals that you got to put on the axle tubes, which is a wise idea because, as you saw in my earlier video, the seal started seeping. And that was one of the reasons that got me to put the new bearings in the back, because you never know, you know, just a safety thing, just to put the new axle bearings in, because save you a lot of headaches and hassle down the road. Pretty much true, isn't it, Tyler? Alright, now it's time to put my seal on, and then I can unbolt this crap. Oh, man. Yeah, just a light circular pattern. There it goes. Yeah. Don't be afraid to be a little rough on these seals. Just don't bend the fuck out of them is all. So just like that, seal.